because capital pursues the vision. When you go to financiers, different types of financiers, as you will see, they will be pursuing your vision, your model. That's what they want to fund. Second is the environment. We can't ignore the environment in which you operate in. But let me tell you from the onset that the environment has never been a reason why businesses fail or why they fail to attract capital. But as an entrepreneur, as a director of a business who wants to attract capital, it's very important for you to do a socio-political analysis. Don't blame the politics. Entrepreneurs and directors and business owners, we are fond of blaming the blame game. We blame somebody else. It's the government. But the government never comes to run your business. You run your own business. The government never comes to say, look here, this product now is no longer really, it's no longer, in terms of technology, it's no longer worth it to the market. You need to change. The government will never do that, but we always blame the government. What politicians say is what affects us. As long as your business responds to what politicians say, you'll find that it's not your business. Therefore, you are not in control of it. The demographics should understand your products versus the demographics. What is your target market? Which segment are you targeting? Is it the millennials? Is it these baby boomers? What is it? Is it the aged population? So that you move with it and you have got the right statistics for the segment that you are targeting. The economic analysis and technological advancement, you have to, these days you have to look at technology as well. What I am doing now, with where technology is going, where will I be in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years? Continuing what I am doing. And the world environment, I'll briefly look at the three in detail. First with the business model. A business model, I'm just summarizing the keys that you look at the raw materials, right? In terms of the business model. Your raw materials, the source, is it sustainable? So that it doesn't happen as an accident that your raw materials are finished. Where you were getting the raw materials is finished. So you have to look at it in terms of the business model, the product, the design itself, the technology that you use to design your products. How sustainable is it? Always you should be ahead. And the cost effectiveness of that as well, the pricing policies and everything. Your margin analysis, you should be able, what I'm saying here, you should be able to read far ahead of competition. Then the market. Look at substitutes. What I'm doing now, there are companies that have become very irrelevant over time, because of failure to adjust their business models. One of those companies is called Motorola. I think we know Motorola. It was one of the first companies. Nokia, you know, when cell phones started, the name was what? Nokia. But these days, it's Samsung, isn't it? Samsung, iPhone, Apple. That's what we talk about. Those are the phones people talk about. So nobody talks of Motorola anymore. Nobody talks of Nokia anymore. You know the reason, if you study here, these companies, they were outstepped by advancement. They thought they were so big and everything depended on them. But when things changed, even capital, they failed to attract it. So they were actually retrenching people in thousands per month. And today, they are just ghosts of their former selves, these companies. Then in terms of the environment, in Tanzania, I have called it Magufuli's